Come on, Maya. You can do it.
Oobleck. It's my first time.
Barely oobleck
We
anymore.
made oobleck. It looks like oobleck.
It felt like Play-Doh. Come on, Maya.
I added. Don't judge the oobleck by its.
Come on, Sid. Watch.
I'm allergic. I'm allergic. Okay. I'm gonna go. Just take a rest.
Just come on. Eating Jello. You're eating Jello.
I don't like Jello.
You're eating ice
pudding.
cream.
I don't like pudding.
Ice cream.
Caleb, what do you like with a spoon? Vanilla
Soup.
ice yogurt.
You're eating vanilla ice cream.
Just take it.
Come on.
Shut up.
Really good medicine that you like.
Ew. I like no medicine. I love medicine. Ew. It's distracting.
Come on. Oh, she took it.
Stop stalling.
Does it burn?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
We don't know what you're talking about. It doesn't burn.
No, it's... I'm so sending that to Jackson. I'm just kidding. I know.
It obviously hurts.
Yeah, orange juice will help. I'm alive and done it.
She's gargling it.